So Aquarium, I have to say, is my favourite design out of this collection. So here we have two colourways. We have a night and day option.
What sticks out in this design are the bright pops of colour.
Yeah.
You know, even in both colourways. So we have the darker colourway, which we have given, you know, the perfectly partnered navy to go with the background. And we have the safe sort of whiter tone, you know, for people who are really just wanting just a pop.
So if that was our night version, this is definitely our day version, isn't it? And we've got the brighter background. It's still got a lovely texture through it though, so it doesn't feel flat.
No.
So I would love to use this again in a bathroom. I think it could go really, really well in a downstairs loo.
It is definitely downstairs loo territory, but you know, you shouldn't pigeonhole it. You know, you can use it, I would say, in a powder room. That's where I would use it. If you have a powder room, you know, like a nice walk-in wardrobe, or even a kitchen or a bathroom.
It is such a quirky design that I think anywhere you put it, it's going to draw attention to and be a real talking point.
It's definitely going to get people talking.